we're a solutions company. We're an innovations company. You can come to us with a problem. We will solve that problem for you. We're a group of engineers. We're focused on problem solving. We're focused on innovation. And we've targeted the mining sector. We originally were inspired by underground mapping using drone technology. That's where we began our journey. But we quickly sort of evolved from a company focused on product to more of a company focused on a purpose. And that purpose was to create innovations in mining using high tech that actually transformed the way things were done, while making people safer or taking them out of harm's way. And that allowed us to blossom from a company that had a drone to a company that really has a suite of technical solutions that target on some real key areas in mining. In terms of the organic growth of the company and our customer segment, is that they start to recognize problem segments and they come to us for those problem segments. You can't always fly a drone underground. There's all kinds of reasons that the solution might not work. So we quickly understood that and created the drone to be more of a Lego component. So you can pull it apart and stick it on something else to create adaptability and flexibility. And that's where people say, well, hang on, if you can solve that problem, here's another one for you. Right. Vertical mining, totally dangerous, fix it. Shaft measurement, can't be done fast enough, fix it. And so what happens now is people approach us on the problem topic, and it's a combination of the solutions that we've created. We put that together, we pick the right components, and we can either sell that to the client or deliver it for them as a service. So we've learned, and I think our clients have started to learn that, we're a solutions company, we're an innovations company. You can come to us with a problem. I guarantee you, between imagination and technology, we will solve that problem for you.